since you can't be live to greet new viewers 24/7.
Hello. Hello, hello. What's going on, peeps? How's everybody today going? Let me tweet that we live. Make sure that we are actually live. Can everybody hear me okay? Yo, yo, yo. Oh, maybe. Let me switch to live chat and not all chat. Or top chat. Hello, I'm a new fans. What's up? Thank you for being a fan. Hello from Berlin. What's up? What's up from Berlin? What time is it for you in Berlin? What up, big dog? What up, Mitchell? What up? 1801 in Berlin. So what's that? 1801 in Berlin minus 12. So it's what, 6 p.m.? 6 a.m.? No, 6 p.m., right? Ayush, hello from India. What's up? What up, what up, what up? Okay, so we tweeted we live. We should be good now. Rahat. What's up? What we making today? So we're actually just studying a bit of HTML and CSS, SCSS. I think I'm going to try and attempt to make something from Frontend Mentors as well. Rohan, what's up? Yowie04, what's up? Okay. So At the year of 19, of course it is possible. What? It's 1000% possible. All right. So I think this is what we're going to start with first. Now that we got a good amount of people's in here, an FAQ accordion from Frontend Mentors. I've never done this before, so I have no idea what's going to happen. Hua, what's up? Can you guys hear me okay? Like, is the mic quality all good? I might move my whole streaming setup onto this section, but this is the Windows section, so I would need to figure that out. I don't know what I'm going to do there. Let me move Discord on this side. I actually need to figure out. It's an awesome thumbnail. That's fucking hilarious. Greetings from Denmark. What up, Thomas? Okay, what do we got here? Check your downloads folder, which is where your projects have been downloaded to. Move it somewhere. You can set a project with version control, e.g. git. Read the README. Have a look around. Get colors and font from the style guide.md. Set up your project file however you want. Start coding. Cool. Do you have a Mac? Yeah, it's right behind me. But I am trying out Windows for now. Let's put it in new projects. Select folder, extract. Cool. Yeah, I'm usually coding on a Mac, but this time I am not. Hello from France. What's up? Hola, amigos. J-Code. Manzaf. What's going on? Okay. This welcome. Let's look at the README real quick. Can y'all see that? Do I need to up that? Probably need to up this, right? It's probably easy to read. Design preview. Thanks for checking out this front end challenge. Yeah. You need a basic understanding. Yeah, okay. Challenge. Your challenge is to build out this FAQ accordion and get it looking as close to the design as possible. You can use any tools you'd like to complete the challenge. So if you got something you'd like to practice, feel free to give it a go. You should be able to view the optimal layout for the component depending on their device's screen size. See hover states for all interactive elements on the page. Hide/show the answer to a question when the question is clicked. Okay, where to find everything you've done. Are you gonna save this live? What do you mean save this live? Yes. This live usually will always get saved as a VOD. And will just stay on my YouTube. So if you want to rewatch this, you definitely can. Did you download macOS 11 already? No, I haven't. I'm waiting for everyone else to. I am not dealing with that right now. 1000% not doing that. Hi from Melbourne. I'm bored and it's 4 a.m. here. Ooh, 4 a.m. Well, you've come to the right spot, my friend. You're here. We're gonna get active. We're gonna try to keep this entertaining for you. As best as I can. I am just checking a couple things really quickly. What is... Let me close this one. I don't need this. That is something else that I'm working on. Here in Portugal, it's 5 p.m. Woo! Where is everyone from? Where you time traveler? Where everyone else from? We got Melbourne. We got Portugal. I saw France, Denmark. India's here. Berlin, if I didn't say it already. Where we got everybody from? Oops. Oh shit. Save. Okay, cool. That's done. No. Get out of here. Okay, cool. Oh, wow. A lot of people just out of nowhere came out in the chat. I love it. Kenya, Brazil, Bosnia. Wow. Jesus. We got an international chat today. I love it. Manzov, what is the best resources for web dev from your experience learning / documentations? So best resources would be sites like Codecademy, Free Code Camp, to get you going if you're trying to learn web development. Documentation is always super helpful, especially for JavaScript and CSS. And then, having a video tutorial and or book with you is going to be some of the best recommendations for resources that I can have for you. Hello from Romania. What's up, Alexandra? India, Germany, Brazil. Yeah, I tried, but thanks to my 128 MacBook Pro, it took a whole day. What are you learning? So I am practicing HTML and CSS right now. I announced on Twitter and on Instagram just today that I am focusing on the vanilla stuff for a little bit, and then before I go back to some frameworks. So right now I am practicing on building this thing. Where is it? Oh, it's in the design thing, right? Yeah, so this right here. We're going to be building this, or attempting to build it. Wow, there's a lot of Christmas music going on right now. Yay, just what I need. Oh, I'm glad I can fill what you needed. Yeah, so we're going to be building this accordion thing here. I have some idea of what that's going to look like. BG pattern desktop. Oh, so these are the SVGs. Oh, interesting. Oh, so we were going to put SVGs today. What are we learning in this stream? So we're just going to be practicing making this right here. This right here. Oh, get out. Uh-oh. Yeah. So we're going to be making this accordion from Frontend Mentors. We're going to attempt to. I need to practice my HTML and my CSS, so yeah. Deploying your project management above, there are a number of ways to host Versal. I've never used Versal. Sign up, really go through onboarding, ensure your GitHub account, blah blah blah. Versal for project page, good push. Your task is to build blah 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 blah. Lines are in JPEG static format. This will mean that you'll use your best judgment for styles. Can I know what you're doing? Yeah, we're building a accordion in we're building this from Frontend Mentors. So we're going to attempt it. Okay, what's this git ignore? This is no. Okay. Oh, sweet. So they already give me the prompts. Let me go live here. Okay, so this is what we got so far. This is it. So we have the prompts. What is the fan thing icon I see on many people's taskbar? Fan thing? What fan thing? Huh? Okay. Well, first things first, I have to get. I'm going to try and use SCSS in this. Oh, okay, cool. OnlyFans? Isn't that like a... Feel free to remove these styles or customize in your own style sheet. Okay, well, I'm going to put my name here first because we're cool like that. Oops. Okay. Coded by me. Awesome. So, first things first is what we want to do. I need to set up my SCSS because that's what I'm going to do first. Right? Let me see if there's anything else I need to learn. Oh, wait, what is this? I'm kind of interested now. What is that? Last sixth application icon on taskbar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is Spotify. It's either you're talking about Spotify or the new Microsoft Edge. I think the fan icon is OBS for recording streams. It's either, oh, it might be OBS. It could be. That or Spotify. I don't know which one you're talking about. Wait, I'm curious. Does the chat box work if it's for YouTube now? I'm curious. Ooh. Okay, I'm kind of interested in this. I'll take a look at this later off stream. Aww. Oh, doesn't work. It got me, I think, the OBS thingy. Yeah, this is OBS. So that's how, or the old application that I used to use to stream. Okay, here's the style guide. Okay, so front end style guide. The designs were created to the following widths: 375 pixels and desktops 1440. To the following widths? Okay, colors, primary, text. All right, chat. What do we do here? Do we want to do CSS or should we do SCSS here? I need to... Where is... Okay, so this is what I have here. Hello from India. I like your content. Thank you, Neon. I appreciate that. Setting up SCSS in Visual Studio. Oh, I should probably download that extension. CSS bare bones. Ooh, that's going to be difficult. I mean, not really that difficult, but CSS would be amazing. Okay, so that's 2 votes for CSS and not SCSS. You guys are crazy. Let me install that. Live SAS compiler. There you go. Hi from the Philippines. What's up? Yeah, just CSS. I reckon depends on what level you're already at. Okay. Well, that's the call. Ay. That is the call then. Not need to worry about that. Oh, oops. What am I doing? God. You guys are really about that vanilla CSS. What is live SAS? Live SAS is just it's a compiler so that I don't have to like set up a thing where I have to compile it. It's going to do it live as soon as I refresh, so I don't have to keep like running the same thing over and over and over again. What was I doing? Background color. Let's just do aqua for now. Yeah, let's remove this. We're going to link a CSS instead of style. It's main. And whoa, did I not? Hello? What did I do? Oh. There you go. Okay. Now that works. Do you use Bootstrap? I've used it before and I've used it on client sites. Yes. Yes, I have. What's your biggest tool in learning? Biggest tool. Biggest tool in learning. Discipline. Do you count that as a tool? I'm also going to grab... cheating a little bit here. Copy to clipboard. So this is a cool little thing, a mini reset if you guys haven't seen it. It's like a CDN that you can input into your HTML to reset your whole style sheet. So it's kind of cool. So we're going to input that and everything should be reset. Awesome. Okay. Now, let's look at... Do I have access to CSS variables in Vanilla's CSS? Am I dumb for asking that question? CSS variables. So this is where the documentation comes into play. What are you doing as a job other than YouTube? Nothing. I guess you could count freelancing, right? Freelancing counts as my job. But that's primarily what I do. I'm also a CrossFit coach as my job. .html, what? Aditya? Yes. I'm with that. I'm with the music here. I like it. Oh, you do? Okay, so then let's test that out then. Okay, so we'll go sudo root, right? You can deliver vars and CSS for colors and shit. Nice. Okay, so let's go main BG color. Let's just say brown for right now because that's what the documentation shows me. And then just to test it out. Dude, I need to get used to this keyboard. God bless. Background color is going to be... Is that how you do it? Main BG color. Oh, nice. It does work. Okay, cool. Hi, bro. I'm your new subscriber. I am Manny China from India and studying 9th grade. Nice. Oh, wow. 9th grade. You are young, my friend. How do I get my first web dev? I was still stuck on React tutorials. When do I know I'm ready? If you're stuck on React tutorials... Oh, the chat is working. Wait, hello? That's kind of cool. Okay. If you are stuck on tutorials, I'd recommend just like taking a break from that and looking at different resources, but actually building something. And I think that's the problem, is that people don't build things. You'll never be ready. So just kind of keep building things and keep applying. It's hard if you're doing self-taught stuff. So just keep grinding. Frontendmentor.io, I believe, is the website. Frontendmentor.io is where you can get like these challenges, and they're free, which is kind of cool. Okay, so now that I know how to do this, I've never used CSS variables. Is watching tutorial building projects a good thing? It can be, but you can't rely on it. I'm currently studying CS at university, and math is killing me. How much do you honestly use math in your day-to-day projects? I feel dumb for borderline failing calculus and linear algebra. Honestly, I don't use math, if at all, when I do this stuff. So don't worry, David. I'm right there with you. Math was like never my strong suit and never will be. So don't trip. Don't trip. We've all been there. Okay, so for the style guide... we're going to do that. I need to get these. I want to put all of these in variables so that I can just like get rid of these. Are you mainly self-taught? Yes, I'm mainly self-taught. Super amazing content. Keep it up, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bro, math is more used in data science part, and dev math is not much, I guess. No. So, yeah, like if you're going front end, then math is very, very like just a very simple math. If you can't do the simple math that you do in front end, you shouldn't be coding. But even then, like, it's not hard. Okay, so this was just a test here. Background gradient. Okay, so this is what I actually need here. So let's go violet and blue. Cool. Secondary BG color is going to be this right here. Okay. And then I need it's a linear gradient, right? Now that you guys are all here and we're popping off on the stream, what kind of videos are you guys interested in seeing? I'm gonna go on a freaking content spree this weekend, so what do you guys want to see? Also, seeing Studio getting a lot of math while we don't even use it in applications we make. Hey, you still applying for jobs or just focusing on studying? I'm bouncing back and forth right now. It's I'm looking at jobs. I recently applied to one, didn't really get it, but I'm like back and forth. I really want to keep studying, but at the same time I also want to get jobs or get a job. So we're seeing where we're at with that. But for the most part, I think I'm going to be focusing on creating content still. Any tips on practicing mockups using Photoshop? A lot of other jobs near me are requiring using Photoshop. Honestly, I'm not the person for that. Unfortunately, sorry. I've never made any mockups or used Photoshop for that reason. So I need to. That's probably something I should definitely learn is how to create wireframes and mockups and things like that. But my boy drink that bang. Yes, sir. I got this and I got some Red Bulls waiting for me. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, baby. I'm ready to go. Maybe try some backend. Oh, I've tried some backend. I'm still taking a course on Mongo. Did you go to college or have a CS degree? No. I went to college, but I never finished. I kind of backed out. I was just like, nah, I'm not doing this. I'm going to make a video on that. You can download some helpful extensions as color, like Colorzilla. Oh, so on my MacBook, I actually have like all the extensions that I generally use. I'm still figuring out what I want to use on this. So, do you freelance through Fiverr? No. I freelance through word of mouth. Use Adobe XD for mockups or wireframes or something like Figma as Sketch. Yeah, and that's what I need to learn for sure. Is that I need to learn that. Actually, that's like the one extension that I need. Hold on, let me get that really quick. Okay, it's called Color Highlight. Cool. Now, there we go. That looks so much better. I have a squat rack on a second floor apartment. I'm about to hit those pause bench sets on that bang after practicing coding. Dude, that's the best, dude. That's the best. Get frustrated after some coding, just want to hit it. Just need to hit one real quick. Bust it out. Okay. So we go from bottom to bottom right. I think that's how you say it, right? So that's what our linear gradient's going to be. Linear. Wait, how do you do it? Where's my other project? Yeah, that's how you do it. Okay, let me just copy and paste this real quick. Let me just cheat a little bit. To bottom right, but here we're gonna use var. Oops. Var main BG color, and then here we're gonna use var secondary. Nice little format there. Is it not working? Oh, is it background image? What the hell is that? Let me actually just copy some of this. because this is what I'll usually use in projects. So let's just use background. Let's see what that looks like. There you go. That's what I need. Don't you use a Mac? Don't you use Mac OS? Then why are you using Windows? So I'm doing this for video purposes. I am going back to Windows, and I'm going to do a Mac versus PC video and do like a comparison. Maybe try data structure and algorithms. Oh, that might be a good video. I mean, I've done it before, but I'm down to do it again. How much math focused is backend versus frontend? I would say backend is way more math focused than frontend is. Frontend is just very basic, like algebra, for the most part. Linux is so good, and I've tried Linux too. When I used to work in IT, I'd have to deal with a lot of Linux. Swaha, what up? What up? What up? All right. So how does that look, chat? Does that look pretty similar in terms of the gradient? I feel like there's more perp. Oh, it's to the bottom though. It's from top to bottom. That's what it looks like. Can I just say to bottom? Is that a thing? Yeah, that's what it is, right? Algebra. Is it okay to not know a lot of... As you said, so learning how to code last month and can make styled plus functioning surveys now, stuff like that. Anything's a good start as long as you're starting, right? As long as you're staying consistent is the thing. You need to stay consistent in order to do it. It doesn't matter where you're starting. It doesn't matter what you know. Over time, you're going to learn things anyways. So as long as you keep moving, that's fine. Is Sublime good or VS? I would always suggest VS Code, but I have a bias. Definitely have a bias. What's up, Lewis? Lewis Hughes, what's up? Bro, I'm currently a senior CS major in college, and I've learned nothing. All they teach here is theory. I swear college is useless. Some people like it, some people don't, my man. You either get it or you don't. And at that point, I would just be like, look, if it's not for you, you're already a senior. Stick it through, but like try and get a little bit proactive and teach yourself some things. Teach yourself the stuff that you want to know. I passed my stats test 55. Oof. Well, at least you passed, right? Do you have a Roblox? No. VS all the way, 100%. Thanks. Of course. Bro, I have a problem when I print desktop and CMD says error. Please help. I mean, what are you trying to print? What's up, Shrey? Andres. Bye. Boring for me. Okay. See ya. College is shit. I hate college. I couldn't stand it. Could not, will not stand it. Okay, that's looking pretty close. Does VS have to use pip to download packages? No, I don't think so. I mean, it's only to get the job. What's only to get the job? College? Tatenda, what's up? Which language should I learn for web development? HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are going to be your main ones that you want to learn. Why using Windows? I'm using Windows right now for experiments and video and content. College is slow and not practical. It is for certain occupations, but for developers specifically, I would agree. I learned more from my 4-month Flutter and Dart class on Udemy than uni. Flexbox is a pain. It is, but it's so worth knowing. Okay, for those of you who know, should I always have my variables in the root? Is that a thing? I use Windows for everything. I've usually only used Windows for gaming, but at this point, I'm just trying it out for coding. I actually want to get rid of this line height, just in case. Okay. Try PyCharm, it's good. Isn't PyCharm only for Python? Neat practice. Okay. Okay, I'll just stick to this main font. I don't know, like, the generic term. Okay, so we have the text. Oh, we have text color too. Interesting. Okay, so we have the background gradient going. We have text color here. Text. Why is there 3? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, what else do I need? This is the main font here. Pull that. Coomsens. So I need 400 and I need 7. Put that in my HTML really quick. And in our thing here, we will go. Stop doing that. Font family is going to be var. Main font. That didn't work. Am I missing something? A CS3 will come in handy when you are OTJ, but for sure when I was at university I hated it as well. But the more I write code, the more concepts I learned at college slowly creeps up in combos. Yeah. I think they are global when I root. Yeah. Why use Windows for coding? JetBrains GUI. I'm using it only for video purposes right now. I usually code on Mac OS though. I thought you're studying Python? Nah. I want to learn Python soon though. But it's just easy to do on Windows, and I've always done it. Well, the other thing, too, is it's easier for me to stream on Windows, too. Is it Java? Nah, this is HTML, CSS. Everybody loves Trump? Nope, that's definitely false, Thomas. No. Good work. What you building? We're building this. This is from Frontend Mentors, just an accordion thing. Python out of the 10 other languages I've learned is the most fun. And I've heard that. I've heard a lot of people like Python. Is Python any good for web developer or only JavaScript? People can use Python for web development. I think you can use Flask. I think Flask is a framework that you can use with Python to make websites. What framework? No frameworks. Brother. Oh boy. Okay. There you go. Okay, that was the problem. Is Flutter and Dart good to learn? I would say so. I think it's on the up and up for mobile development for sure. Flask and Django, but Flask is lightweight and easy. Yeah. And so I've heard. But so like, yeah, anytime I've heard that people want to make websites with Python, it's always going to be with Flask. Not always, but that's like the main thing. Weights is 400 and 700. Okay, well, we'll see about that. So we have the main font in our variables. Is this primary text color? Main font color is I'm confused. Where is that coming from? Oh, I see. So that's on the hover, but is that part of the text as well? Neutral text. I'm guessing that's that. Do you have a Discord server? No, I don't. What got you interested in coding? Watching other people do it and like always being interested in building things, I think is my main reason why I got interested. So this is going to be the main. Secondary. Font color, we want that to be this. Okay. No, I don't think I'd ever do that. What is your preferred stack? Jamstack. If I'm going off of frameworks. Neutral text, very dark grayish blue. That's like a terrible name, but whatever, it makes sense to me. Okay. Copy this, neutral text, dark grayish blue, so DGB. Okay, so far so good. Getting all the colors in here. These are checked off. Divider color. Okay. Body font size is 12 pixels. That should be everything, right? Oh, we want these two. Gotta love color names with the word color in them. Isn't it the best? Mobile with desktop width was what, 1440? Yeah. Okay. I think I got everything. As far as variables that are going to be reused, do you have some music on? I do. I do. Got some music on chillin'. Hopefully it's chillin' all for you. All right. I think I got everything I need. For the most part. What is happening? Code was sparse. What are you working on? We're making this little accordion thing from Frontend Mentors right now. That's what I'm working on. Edward. I love Frontend Mentor. Yeah. This is that first project that I'm making with Frontend Mentor, and so far seems really cool. Yeah, we're building this. So I just got my variables in, and these are some of the other stuffs that are in there. So let's start creating some stuff. So we're going to name this a div. This is going to have a class of, I'm just going to call it box just to make it easy on myself. Yeah, I'm practicing my CSS, like my vanilla CSS, because I always relied on, what's it called? I always relied on like libraries and stuff. So I want to get better at just writing stuff on my own from scratch. A recommendation for me on how to start with programming / automation. Thank you. Honestly, like using sites like FreeCodeCamp or Codecademy if you're going to go into programming and like backend stuff or like computer science, that's what I could recommend. What does mobile look like? Okay. So I need to make this box. Well, the background's already black, right? So let's do box. Pixels. Okay, well, that's a start. Do you know lobotomized owls? No, I don't know what that means. What that is. I love that keyboard sound. Thank you. Yeah, the keyboard's really, really nice. You don't use a CSS reset.css? I do. It's right here. Hold on. I'm using a CDN from a site called Mini Reset, so it implements a reset for me. I should probably write my own, but I've only been studying for a year now. Okay. Border radius. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Preferred language to program would be JavaScript. Okay. What are we studying? We're making this thing right here from Frontend Mentors. That's what we're working on right now. All right, we gotta center this thing. Var main. Oh. Does it say to use pixels versus rem? No, I don't think so. So I'm most likely going to be using JS for the dropdowns. We'll play some Valorant and sleep now. Just do more of this study with me live. More, bro. Really do enjoy them. Awesome. Oh, no. I will for sure be doing these a lot more. I don't want to buy a laptop. What should you recommend the most? And is it worth a Mac? I feel like Mac would be worth it. If budget allows, I would definitely encourage you to take a look at that new Mac that's coming out. IMO. On the body, do display flex, justify content center, align item center? Justify content. Center. Align items. What's up, Ricky? How is you? I think I want this to be you got a fat number of views this morning. Yes, ma'am. I don't know what happened, but something happened. Oh, what the heck? Okay, well, that's not doing anything. Figured I'd work with you. I don't have another meeting till 12. Nice. I think you should learn Vim. Yo, Vim is just like a whole nother beast on its own. What's up, Swanee? Challenging. It would be challenging if I didn't do any of those drop downs with what's it called? With JavaScript. Stumbled across your channel the other day. Nice. Fuck it. Just drop this project and learn shit. Oh god. Oh no. Ugh. Nah, player. You tripping. You is tripping. What are your languages? Main languages. Primarily JavaScript, if we're gonna be talking about programming wise. Okay, we're gonna put this in a separate div. Div for now. CSS, Java, and Python. Nice. I want to learn Python for sure. My backers from all the background languages I learned in undergrad. Oh, yikes. No, I shouldn't be live on Twitch. I should only be live on YouTube right now. At least I don't think so. Am I live on Twitch? I checked and I wasn't. You want your text inside the box? No, I know. I'm only doing that for now because I'm just like, I need to get it out the way. Like when I read it, it's like hard to read. So I just need to make sure that like it's in a div. I don't know. I'm weird. Oh, actually, no, you're right. I could just put it inside. Now that I think about it. Yee! Look at that! See, that's why I didn't do it. Yeah, I need it outside so I can like get the sizing done first and then worry about it later. I think it was just a chime when someone follows you that threw me off. Oh, yeah. So when people sub to me, it still does the same thing. You know what? in the content, I'll just deal with this now. So we have how many prompts? One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, back to the box. So did I name this content? I did. I'm just playing around with some stuff. No. Okay, let's play around with this. Let's go 800 on the width. Okay. Maybe a little less. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm like, okay, now I need to send it this thing. What is this? That's not what I want. Oh! Chris Sean in the house. Brad's in the house. Only doing YouTube for coding and Twitch for gaming. Yes, sir. That's the goal. I think YouTube is better for the coding side, since that's what my YouTube is going to be mainly about, and then just keeping the Twitch side to gaming if I ever want to. What's up, Chris? How are you? Someone's been active on Twitter recently. Oh, what's up, Schweeb? Yeah, long time no see. It's been a minute. A little active. Oh, dude. Your boy's been active so heavy, dude. It's crazy. Oh, your mic comes in today. Uh-oh. Which one did you end up going with? Down for Valorant tonight? Yeah. Yes, please. We haven't played in what, like 2 days? Okay, we're getting there. Mess around with this. Ooh! Woo! Oh god. Okay, wait, hold on. Did I just mess with Marting or? What are you working on? I am making this from Frontend Mentors, or well, attempting to make this. I'm trying to practice like my vanilla CSS and not have to worry on libraries and things. But obviously, I'm not that great at it. I'll carry you again. Chris, how many times do I have to say this? You can't carry me, bro. You can't carry what you can't carry when I'm carrying you. It's insane. This guy's ego is just out the roof today. I mean every day. It's ridiculous. Snowball plus a blue marm. Nice. Yeah, it's a good start. Have you guys played Apex? I love Apex. I just haven't played the new season. Remove margin. You don't need the box now? Ooh. See, this is why I need y'all in my life. Oh my god. Oh, was it top 50, left 50? Is that how you center? No. Guys, how do I center this thing? Top 10 Watson in the world at one point? What's up with you? Dude, Watson and Killjoy are like almost the same person. What's up with you in that, huh? Oh. Oh. This is why I need y'all in my life. I hate vanilla CS, I know. This is your interview? How is this my interview? What's going on? What's happening? Oh, I know what you mean. I think I know what you mean now. It didn't work. And then, wow, this is getting extensive. Oh my, what is happening? That's not what I needed. It's not what I needed. Display flex in your body? What are you trying to do? I'm trying to center this damn thing. This little box. Display grid. You need to set width and height. I don't know what the height would be. Let's see what 100 pixels looks like. I don't think that changes anything. So display flex in your body, then remove the position absolute. I know the margin auto 0. Oh, Chris, you know what? You know what? I don't need you in my life. I forgot about that. Does this work? It didn't work, Chris. You failed. You failed. You failed. If you do display something, then remove position absolute. All content? Oh, I see what you're saying now. I see what you're just saying now. Why is there all that white space? Jesus Christ. Let me just comment that out for right now. Was that what was causing the issue? Okay, so it's centered on the screen now. That's good. Let me get rid of the height. Let me see what happens. Now let's do what Chris said. Nope. On the body, display flex, align items to justify content center min height. My min height is set on the HTML already to 100 VH, so I don't think I need to put that. You think 1200 would look good? Oh, actually, you know what? Yeah, that does look pretty good. Maybe I just need to change the padding. I mean, that's starting to look better, actually. Okay, that looks like the sizing of that. No, it needs to be higher. Yeah, it needs to be higher. Let's go back to 250. Make the body min height 100 VH. Are you sure? Oh my god, you're a genius. You are a mother genius. Look at that. You learn something new every day. You learn something new every day. Landing hero section height 95 VH, display flex, justify content align item center. That's what I use in a project to make my things perfectly centered. I copy and paste my code like crazy. Yeah, I need to start doing that. Like, I need to start making snippets of things that I'm going to start reusing. Like, okay. So, I did too. Someone needs to hire you. Me or someone else? I agree. Someone needs to hire me though, Chris. I believe. I believe that is a factual statement right there. Okay, look, maybe a little bit higher, right? Maybe a little bit bigger. What do you guys think? A little bit bigger in the box. So like, let's try 270. I would think so, right? Like, I don't know if those dimensions are necessarily good, but okay. So here's the tough part. The box shadow is something that I don't really know how to use. Wouldn't it just be another box plus transparency? For what, Ricky? Yeah, I need this like box shadow thing right here. What's the box shadow syntax? So I'm doing. Okay, let's look at what this looks like. Oh, Alan's already on it. Let's try that. Pixels, 5 pixels, 0 px. RGBA. 50, 0.75. Okay. So, it's a good start. Definitely a good start. I like where this is headed, Alan. But no, I know the last one is the opacity. I definitely want to fade it out a little bit. So that needs to be done. Oh, you know what, dude? Like, this is starting to get annoying. Where's my mouse at? Let's see if I can code like this. I wonder. This is... No, I can't do that. That's too much. Yeah, 0.4. Right? So that looks a lot better. Shadow.gif. That's starting to look a little bit better. On the right side, I think it's just the bottom, no? Maybe a little bit on all sides. I can't really tell. That's a hard one. I think that's it right there. I think that's it. Right? Like, tell me that's not kind of on the dot right there. No, it's not. By increasing the 5 pixels? Yeah, I think that's what I did. I think that's what I did, right? I went up to 8. Might put this down to 2 instead. Yeah. Dog just went ape shit. So it looks like it's just the... Let's go 9. 9, and then increase these, whack it up a bit more. 15. Let's go 10. I'm kind of liking where this is starting to look now, though. Where'd my thing go? No, I think this is it, right? What'd you guys think? No, I think it needs to be more. Let's try to go like 25 on all of them. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah. Yeah, that's starting to look more like it. Cause it's pretty far ish. Maybe not on this right side, but more on the bottom. Oh, that's not what I want to open. So maybe drop this back down to 15 because that's the horizontal, yeah? Or is that the vertical? Let's go back. First one is horizontal, second one is vertical. Okay. So if first one is horizontal, then yeah, 15. Let's maybe go 30 on this. No, I'm liking that though. I'm liking this. Maybe just a tad more though. Like shit. That's a lot, dude. Or let's up the opacity here to 3. Starting to look good, yeah? I mean, we're starting to get there. Yeah, there's not much on the right side. So let's cut this down. Let's cut it down to 5. Or 0. Maybe not that much. Let's go back to 30. I like this. Guys, I think we did it. I think we did it on the box shadow. Maybe less around. Yes, no? What are we thinking? Is that a check mark? This way you can actually see it. How's that look on screen? Border radius might need to be a little bit harsher. Maybe a little bit harsher. Good enough. What's the music playing? It's from Epidemic Sound. I just looked up lo-fi and just like I'm playing whatever. Whatever starts playing. I think that's good. I think it's good enough. I think we're off to a great start here. I've already learned so much. I think the color on the design is slightly darker. In terms of the shadow? I'm doing good, Lima. How are you? Oh, I think you're right. Yeah, mine's isn't as dark. There you go. I honestly like my version a little bit better because there's not much of a box shadow here. Maybe there is slightly. There you go. Okay. You think applying to a dev job soon, bro? I applied recently, and didn't go so well. So that's why we're here. What do you do in your free time? Work out, game, read, work out. It's primarily what I do. Okay, cool. So we've tackled that. Okay. So we have the box now. Now, what we need to do is get all this stuff onto the right side and get the pictures onto the left side. How would we like to tackle that? Are we thinking grid? Because I am. Compared to the UK, yeah, you're rejected job too. Won't let stop me. Nah, you can't ever let it stop you. You kind of just gotta have to keep going. We have a lack of good devs over here. So am I moving over to the UK? Is that what you're telling me? Position image absolute. Oh, is that what we should do? All right, let me see what images I need. This is the background pattern. There's a pattern to the background? Hello? Oh, this thing. I'm guessing. I have no idea. Illustration woman online desktop. Illustration box desktop. Favicon. Icon arrow down. So this is what we're going to use for that background pattern desktop. I'm going to go on a coffee run. Have a good rest of your stream. All right, Ricky. Thanks for stopping by. So I'm thinking I'm going to need the background first. Okay, let's see what... I thought that was mine for a second. I left the IT tech support job of 4.5 years to go do computer science at a college uni. Nice. Wow. So similar to my route, but not, I didn't go to school. I just went like directly into self-taught while doing that. Okay, so position absolute, right? Is the box already... I'm pretty sure the box is already flexed. Oh, the body's flexed. If the body's flexed, then that means everything in the body's flexed. Yeah, no? Position relative. And what did I give this? Desktop. I'm just naming it desktop for right now. Oh, nice. What in the Oh, it's because of the image. All right, how do we stop that from happening? With width? Oh, sick. Okay, that's what it was. Where is it now? What would you put for the width, Alan? I'm gonna put 100 pixels. Let's go top. Let's just start with 20. Top 20, left 20 pixels away. Okay, I couldn't see it for a second. Okay, there it is. Starting to get the hang of this. So it needs to be like that. So the left, let's keep it to 10. No. 0. It needs to be a little bigger. Starting to get there. Starting to get there. Can I go negative on this? No. See, but it's pushing away. Oh. Ah, okay. Alan, you're like a CSS god. It's crazy. Like, I'm very happy you're here. Maybe we need to go up a little bit. So then that means let's go negative on this, 10 pixels. Huh? Why is it not? There you go. Okay, so the problem... Let me just get it up first. Bizarre how the assets are all split up that way. Time to believe design. It is kind of hard to understand. It's a little hard to understand. Okay, cool. That's looking good. Maybe a little bit bigger on the width, actually. Yeah. Let's go 900. And then let's go left 20 more pixels. 50 more pixels. Nice. We're starting to get there. 300? No, more. 350. Yes. Okay, maybe let's go 360. Is that too much? No. Okay, cool. And then let's go up a little bit more. Like 180. No, that little thing needs to be like at the edge there. So let's go 200. 260. I think that's perfect. Well, not really that perfect. 270? Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Well, that's no, that's the thing. Fuck. What happens when we change the width now to, let's just say 1200? Yeah, this thing needs to be big. Too much. I think that's it right there. I think I just nailed that. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it needs to be a little bit lower. Lower and bigger. Okay. We're very, very close. I'm learning so much just doing this. It's kind of crazy. What did I say? Lower and bigger. Oh no, there's like overflow now. I might be grind. I might be. Isn't there an overflow thing that I can do to like make sure there's no scroll action going on? That's what I thought. That would work. That's what I need here, right? Yeah. No. It's still, I still got a scroll thing, so. There's that. Oops. Body height's already, oh. Nope. There you go. Okay, cool. God, you guys are so good at this. It's actually ridiculous how much I don't know. How much I've been relying on libraries to build stuff. Like, this is supposedly a junior thing, and I can't, or a newbie thing, and I can't even do it. All right. Anyways, still learning, so it's okay. It's okay. Now, this is pretty good. You need to put that in box. It is in box. It's inside a box. You see the image in the background. Yeah, but it is in box. Hold on. While you type out your little whatever you're gonna say, I'm gonna grab a Red Bull. Okay, I'm back. That's the way you learn. 100%. Overflow inside box. There it is. That's what it was. Okay, so I thought that's what I thought. I had an inkling, I just didn't really know. Okay. So that's cool. Let's go up a little bit more. I think that's it, guys. What do you think? Maybe a smidge more to the left. I think that's it. I think we did it. Right? Like that's looking good. Okay, cool. So there's that. We're just going to put all the images in. You can also mess with order, yeah? Because we're going to have multiple images here, so we might need to mess with order. Wait, what? Oh, it'll make more sense maybe? Okay. Image back like that. So I was told not to... mess with z-index too much. Otherwise, you're going to be maintaining a lot. I don't know. I know z-index is a thing, though. Okay, illustration. Wait, what did I put in? Okay, so that's the pattern. I don't even know. Let's do box desktop. Okay, let's put that in now. So we're gonna go image, images, illustration box. Okay, so it's this thing. Class, image box.
I want to drown inside this. I want to drown inside this. Go down an eye, like captain. I never had a vibe this vibrant. And also shiny with that 3-eye vision. Take this moment of my
Where does this go? Okay, so off to the left, and it's pretty centered already, so we really only have to go left, negative, let's say 200 pixels. Oh, I can't see it no more. Oh. Interesting. So I don't think this can be inside the box. Unless... Order 1? Does that work? No. 2? No. Z-index? What would I put for Z-index? 1? No. Maybe I just take it out of the box? And now Z-index is exactly what I was thinking. I could put auto, yeah? No, so the thing is, I think the overflow is hiding it. So if I take image box outside, then that works. All right, we're still centered. I don't think I need to go negative, right? I just need to... I don't know why I'm going negative. Whoa. Where'd it go? Hello? So now we're moving closer. Yeah, I keep not doing pixels. Okay, we're getting there. Oh. This Red Bull can is huge. Okay, so interesting. Okay, let me put the illustration of the women into so I can kind of see where that's gonna end up. Class image woman. Yeah, I was thinking Z index 2. Like, Z index of 1, right? She needs to come up a little bit. Any number? Okay. No, it's too far. Let's go 120. Okay, that's pretty close. She's pretty centered there. Cool. Yes. Is she too small, you think? Yeah, she's too small. Yeah, she's too small. Too big. Let's go 6. She needs to be bigger, right? Well, my box is also maybe a little too tall. Oh. Change the padding. 260, I think, is a good sweet spot. 265? Yeah. But she needs to come up a little bit too, so maybe 570? Nah. I think 600 looked good, no? Top 50%? Oh. Center her in the screen. Huh? Yeah. Oops. Yeah, that's looking good right there. What are you building right now? I'm building this FAQ accordion from Frontend Mentors right now. Okay. So now this box will also be, let's put it at 10%. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's going to be different, right? Yeah. Because it's going off of that. Needs to come left a little bit more. Oops. Ooh. What do we think? All the best, bro. Cool channel. Thanks, Ed. What do we think? That looks good so far. Comparatively, I think we just nailed that on the dot. Oh, you know what? Not really. This right here needs to come out a little bit more. It's like equal with this. Unless we make this smaller. Because you want room for like down the middle. Oh, we have room. No, she'll be bigger. Make her a little bit bigger. Trying to find a nice medium here. 650. Ooh, that right there is like maybe 640. Yeah. Keep up the quality content. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. Is the box bigger, you think? Yeah, the box looks definitely a lot bigger. True. Yeah, I don't know why I don't do that. Like, I know I can do that. I don't know why I don't do that. I think that's pretty good. It's not spot on, but I think we're in the right direction. She needs to come left more. What happens if I make my box smaller, though? It's a nice workflow improvement over alt typing. Oh, 100%. Yeah. I need to get into the habit of that. I'm just not used to it because, like, I'm so used to having it on the other monitor, but since I have to show it here, it's a little weird. I'm curious, how would this look on mobile right now? Terrible. What is it supposed to look like? Yeah, it's supposed to be on top. Oh, yikes. Going mobile on this is going to be harsh. But that's what I signed up for. What I signed up for. Okay, now I'll take your advice on this. Huh? It's not even in the. The computer behind me is the one I mainly code on. What's impossible, Alan? See, this box now is not moving. It's moving outside of it because it's not in the box. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, I know it's not in the box. But since overflow is hidden, would it still hide? Yeah, see, that's the problem. Yeah, that's the problem, Donnie, is like I'm trying to figure that out. How can I... Unless, you know, on different viewports, I just have to make that media query where it just changes according to where the box is. That would be like the only solution I can think of right now. We will worry about that later. Let's worry about the content now. So how are we going to get this? So the issue is like, so this is what it's supposed to look like, right? And right now on like smaller, like the box is not in the container with everything inside this box. So anytime this moves, its position is always like stuck to that spot, which sucks. So it's not responsive at all. Does that make sense? Yes, it is, I think. Should it not be? Should I take it out? Alan, are you talking about this box right here? To add that stuff to? I need to make a story on Instagram. What? Oh, I was about about to go haywire. I thought I was not about to be able to do that. Okay. Display flex. Can I keep position relative even though the display's flex? Yes, right? I don't know if that's a stupid question or not. You want them to move together when you resize the window position. Absolutely defeats that. Oh, 100%, yeah. What was I doing? Oh. And remove padding. What? What in the world? Should I add a height to counteract this? Yeah. Well, no, everything's all messed up though. Yo! What's up, more air? Looking good, yes sir. See, the box is now moving. Oh, it's because of the inspect. Okay, so we're still doing good. Flex end on content, or yeah, that's looking good. Oh, maybe I should do that instead. No, not on the body. Same thing, right? You're nonstop grinding. Love to see it. Yes, sir. All day. Make content height 100%. Okay. No, not margin. Maybe margin right. Align item center. Borders are... No margin for this. Where would you align item center then? On the actual box? So the LI needs to look like this at the end of the day. They need to be these right here. They need to be drop downs. Did I run out of music? Oh my god, I did. I really, really did. No on content. Accordions, yeah, that's what it is. Not drop downs, I'm sorry. On the content class? Oh, you know what? No. Let me take that off real quick. Oh, I missed one. Okay. ULs and LI are probably not the way to go here, I'm guessing. Yeah, so let's change that up before we do that. Divs and buttons, right? we could say something like panel, and inside have a P like that. Yeah, I think that's it. Just put everything in here for now. Right? So I should have done this again. How isn't this how you do it? Like 4 more times? Yeah. And then we want a P tag in them. Oy, oy, oy. What is happening here? See, I can think of like vanilla HTML and CSS is just like, it's so much. I could have thought of an easier way to do this in React. Oh, true. You're right, Donna. You right. Okay, so then if I want, let's just get rid of all this first. Wait. This is for content, so I don't want that. I want everything above. Here. Just comment this out for now. Okay. Wait, so I need a display flex on the accordion? And justify content? Okay, yeah, and that's what I'm That's what I'm modifying right now. everything that is not, or everything that the accordion container is just called accordion. So flex space. Was it between? Is it between or around? Okay. All right. Okay, let's play around with this now. So I'm thinking oops. Yes, it's all the way down here now. I just copy this one a couple times. There you go. Nice. Maybe we want to go less than that though, like 80%. Yeah. I like 80. No, content's out. Oops. That didn't do anything. How much padding? Like 100? Let's see what that does. Ooh. I like that. Okay. Close these is like washing out this. There you go. Okay. Do. Let's move this into the accordion, see what happens. Okay, that's what I need. Just so it's easier to distinguish. Font size, let's just say 24 pixels. I don't know. Font weight, I think I have a 700. Yeah. No? What happened? think we're gonna make these a. Yeah, we're gonna make these a button here. Right, like that would make sense. Do you like Tailwind? I love Tailwind. Tailwind's really nice. Kali Linux on a 32-bit processor? I have no idea. What do you want now? So these... Okay, hold on. Let me see. Where is our picture? Better accessibility, yeah. Okay. Actually, we're going to go 80 because all these font sizes are going to change. Exactly, yeah. On click, you would toggle on show/hide the content below 100%. Okay, so class of button. I don't know. Oh, actually, no. I don't need that. I can just go for the buttons because those are my only buttons here. Right? There you go. I believe I don't think that's it, but no, not. Um. No, maybe not 0. I think this right here. So the content is what needs to change. No. I think, well, this in general needs to move over a little bit so we have more space. Right, so this needs to be over a little bit. I think we need to change the content, honestly. Whoa. 600, 700, 500. Oh, yeah. Yeah. I think right there looks good. Okay, let's go 600 on content for now. And let's change the height of this to 90. Or is it shorter? No, it's shorter. 70. Okay, so oh no, I know. I'm gonna worry about that after. Oh. On the content? Actually looks good. But no, everything's not spaced out. So here on the content, we said margin 20 pixels 0, right? That gives us here, which is good. Oh, actually, you know what? That looks really good, actually. Now that I think about it. How does 60 look? You need to add that on first question when you add padding. What do you mean? Add what? No, I need things to the left. Inspecting, yeah, it's just a regular button. So instead of padding, should I put margin? Still oddly aligned. There you go. Now it's aligned. Okay, so let's do that before every panel that I have here. And that's what it looks like. 4, 5. I think 50, right? No. 40. I think 40 is it. Remove the margin and content. You don't need that. I felt like I did. Oh, maybe not. I can just go padding 80 pixels on content. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, cool. So far, so good. Let me add these in so I can actually, like... Do you provide? This is what I am missing. Oh, I guess I don't need this one. Actually, those are the only ones I need. There you go. Cool. So far that's what that looks like. Not too shabby. Pretty damn close if you ask me. Box might need to come down a little bit, but... So, Rod, how are you? You can add border bottom and panel, yeah, to get the divider. No, so the divider has a, oh, that makes sense actually. Panel. Border bottom. Solid. Oh, wait. I have a divider thing. Divider. Yeah. Although this needs to go under the button. Yeah, that might need to go under the button. Or I can just do an HR. Loving the videos, brother. Respect from New Jersey. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Means a lot. Sup, Milan? Can you see on mockup? Yeah, so Oh. Oh. Interesting. So it just expands underneath. So if I were to click this, the text will then show underneath this. So it would potentially look like, oh wow, that's interesting. So far, so good. Hold on. I will be right back, team. I need to go pee, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Ugh. Can you answer my question, please? What was your question? All right, we're gonna go for a little bit longer, and then I will have to get off because I do have to get ready to coach tonight. So I feel like we did make some good progress today, though. Time for lunch, almost. Okay, let's add in the image too. What's that, trap? I can add an image inside of a button, right? Or how do you... How would one do that? Oh, there you go. I can't pick my first language. From what I saw, I should choose easier language like JavaScript or Python, but I don't understand use of Python. Do you have any suggestions or tip? Thanks. What's your goal? What do you want to get into? What do you want to make and what do you want to do? It should be your main questions right now before you even think about picking a language. I want to get into game development, but I heard that C and C++ are hard for a first language, so that's why I'm picking easy language first. I mean, like that. I feel like you should probably get into those if game development is where you want to be. No matter how hard it is, like coding is going to be hard in general. There is no easy route. Sure, there's something easier, but it wouldn't make sense for you to go to Python and then go backwards into C# or C++. So I would just go into those and then like do your best to understand what it is that you're doing in those languages, and then build the games there. So that way you're only learning the language you actually need in order to build the game, instead of learning two when you could just be learning one for right now and actually building the things you want to build. Does that make sense? You a JavaScript dev? Yes, I am. Primarily, but right now we're focusing on HTML and CSS because I neglect them like crazy. Okay. I feel like this button... Thanks, man. Of course. The button needs to be at the end, but how do you put it at the end? What's up, Carl? Should I make the button flex as well? Would that even make sense? You can add more padding in panel and content. I think you need that. Junior mid, I would consider myself junior for sure. I'm self-taught and I haven't had a job yet. I primarily only freelance a little bit, so, and when I freelance I've used frameworks like, you know, Gatsby and things. So what is your question? My question is, should I make these buttons flex? Because right now I have the SVG in there, but I want to put them at the end. So I'm wondering if I should make this or have its own separate div for the button and then make that flex. How long are you going to be live for? Not too long, not much longer. I actually have to get ready to go coach. So we're going to finish a little bit more and then I'm going to take off. You can try? Okay, let's do this. Whew! Nailed it. Nailed it. Absolutely nailed it, brah. I think the width is already 100%. I think I already did that on the button. Yes, I already have a width of 100%. Guys, I'm learning CSS. I'm doing the do. I'm doing the dirty. I'm actually learning things. Oh my god. Oh man, as only using JavaScript for things, this is insane. Okay. Let me put... I'm kind of tired of seeing the same things, so... I want to see what all of this will look like. What? Oh, is there another one? Oh, there is. So there's 5. Okay, so easy fix. So it goes, what is maximum file upload size after? What if I don't reset? There you go. CSS is easy. Not for me. Not for me. P display hide, and after when you add JS, then display block. Yeah, that's the one thing I know. That is definitely the one thing I know. This needs to go. Wait, what? Why is it not doing it? Maybe I'll just hide the panel. Oh, is it display none? Idiot. Stupid. Why are those not doing it? Hello? Okay, let me get this. So it's in the buttons. And I put it underneath. You guys can see how much I've neglected CSS up until this point. Take off that border. Oops. Guys, look at that. It's not working yet and it's not done. I would say that's pretty freaking good. Like, come on. That looks so good. I think there's less padding in between these, though. Oh, Donnie, I don't want to resize the page. I'm kind of no. I don't want to do it. No, I don't want to do it. If I resize the page, I might vomit. Okay. One last thing. Yeah, I was just gonna add a hover. I'm gonna add a hover to the button. Where's my what is the variable for it? Secondary font color. Yeah! Woohoo! And then I believe there's an active as well. And that is the dark one. Main font color. Wait, right? Yeah, main font color. On the active. Oh, maybe not. Oh, it's got to be bold, right? Or the font weight needs to increase. What's up, Giant Ninja? That's awesome. Thank you. Do it, guys. Do you really want to see how dreadful this is going to be? Look at that, guys. We're doing the dirty. Nah, you can clean it up. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, exactly. And they only gave me 2 viewports, so it's... Okay, so here's the thing. Like, before I leave, I'm going to close off here soon. It's 12:09. I can go for a little bit longer. So here's the style guide. They gave me mobile. Designs were created to the following widths. Mobile of 375 pixels and 1440. So would you guys, if you're writing media queries for that, would you do a minimum height of 1440 pixels? So anything above 1440, you go up. And then a minimum of 375? Would you do min height or max? I'm assuming min. Oh, I'm sorry. If I said height, I'm sorry. I meant width. Imad, hello. I'm actually really proud of this. Really happy with this. Mobile would be 375 pixels to 1439. Desktop would be 1440 pixels. Yeah, so if you're writing the media query, both of them would be min width, right? Min width of 375 and the min width of 1440. Usually when I do mobile first, I use min width when I do desktop first, I use max width. User inspiration for me. I hope to see more stuff to help completely newbies. Yeah, of course. Mobile first. Yeah, I should have done mobile first, but it's okay. Mobile image. Fuck extraction. It depends. So if I go max, then we're going backwards, right? I mean, we'll figure it out. What was I doing? Hold on, give me a second, guys. Yeah, right now you're number first. Oh, I know. All right, guys. I actually have to take off now. We made some good progress. Made some really, really good progress. Max is basically anything up to that point. So max with 500 pixels would be anything from 0 to 500. Oh, okay, okay. So then we'll just do max width then. We'll do max width. That's the... Thank you for that, Milan. Actually, that was that made a lot more sense to me. Okay, but I'm going to take off here. I'm going to have to take off. End the stream here. Thank you all for coming through and showing support, helping me out with this. Everyone who was throwing out suggestions and things, thank you. Hopefully I can do more of these soon and more of these more often. But again, thank you guys for coming by on the stream. I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.